Okay, so here we have half gallon, 2 liter milk bottles that have molasses. It's been 1 week. I put 2 bottles in here just to show the difference between having 1 week old molasses and no molasses. And we're going to be putting this into our bottle washer with the improved manifold system with the sprayers down below. As you can see, you have sprayers located down below the manifold to help hit the necks of the bottle. Okay, so it's going in. I'm putting it in from the front. It's in position, and this is fully open for a top-down wash. Close the cover. It's on cycle 3 for the maximum wash. The heater is on. I'm pushing the start button. Now you see the soap pump coming on. It's injecting the soap into the basin. This is all done by the programming. Okay, so here's the first step. The soap cycle has started, and you can already see it's blasting inside the bottles and it's washing the outside. We're almost done the soap cycle. You can see as it keeps washing, what we saw in the beginning is pretty much being ripped out, no molasses coming out. So this is the second step. We're doing the sanitizer wash right now, and it's just about ready to go. It's filling up sanitizer that's being deposited into the machine. From the hot water booster, which was at 200 degrees Fahrenheit or 93 Celsius, and you can see the needles going down as it's emptying into the basin, getting ready for the final hot water rinse. So it's now finished the final rinse, the hot water rinse, and we just wait for the pump to finish pumping out the water. There we go. Let's take a look. Can you see that nice and clear? Take your bottle. Not a sign of the molasses.